tape it, and make it. Welcome to Kintex. Today we will show you a very interesting taping technique for problems of the lymphatic system. We present the whole thing in the arm area. For this, we use 2 strips of Kintex pre-cut tape, which we cut in addition to the perforation line. You need 4 equally wide strips and a base. This can be placed in the area of the upper arm and the forearm. First, we remove the backing paper from the base. Tape it in the area of the upper arm, front, slightly into the armpit. We loosen the paper of the first strip and tape it in the area of the upper arm, wave-like, with a slight pull. We now take the second strip, loosen the backing paper, and tape it as well, analogous to the first. Do the same with the third strip. Loosen the paper, wave it, apply a little tension, and stick it parallel. Finally, attach the fourth strip along the same course in the same way. Let all ends run out without pulling and rub the tape well again. Now loosen the paper of the second blank, tape the base slightly above the crook of the arm, detach the paper from the first rein, tape it under slight tension, also again in a wavy pattern along the spoke of the forearm. And proceed with the other reins in the same way as the first and let them also run out without tension. This taping technique is excellent for problems with the lymphatic system, after operations, sports, or heavy strain in everyday life to support the swelling of the extremities. In order to increase the adhesive strength of the tape, rub everything well again at the end. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.